According to Sticka, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is leading in the NPP presidential primary Ebaso 31st of January 2026. Or say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Eberini Ewo Volta region, Oberini Ashanti, Central, Western region, Western North, Greater Accra, Afensuno, Oberini Ewa Afro region, Buno, Enebuno East region, into Chilamudia. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is leading in the NPP presidential primaries. Then I tell them, Sticka, we are normal dear. And I say, what for be? Nanyan Kwano can you? Or sounds to say 63 MPs now must declare about me, a draw. Or send a crab class say anymore. Now, on them say, a year alone fracadam and a doctor Mamu about me a campono, or Moya, or Modi dad the MPP for. And then says Sticka adding some out to your papa. Sticka can some. Na me will reply Emma Sticka when in some more kind now. Nemo answer my reply no so they can see say Nema or the two ya. Send the young conquer bass as I make some national because Ghana for the anymore. We go with my castle of fabricated stories dashing and on cancer. And don't even know where Quacotin some Sticka. No one can say no Kakrakasi. Eda to ya, the area. You have a today drinking a I Ghana and some TV. The damn just so and a promise. You put in some Sticka. Eda to Jano Embra. I mean, we are. You have a today drink.
I've been wanting to ask you, how is the campaign going for you? I know you're in the Ken camp. How is it going for you?
By the grace of God, it's really going on well. Very, very, very well. Very, very, very well. Honestly, Ken is going to win. He's already won. By the grace of God, he's won.
What gives you that conviction?
We've been going around. Ken will win up Western North, Western region, Central region, Volta region, Ashanti region, Greater Accra, Volta region, 2 of the 3 1/2 regions. So what is left? Ken has won this election. It's so clear. It's crystal clear.
Have you heard that or seen that 63 of your colleagues in Parliament have endorsed Dr. Bauman?
That is not true. But you saw it's just for the optics. Those who were in the camera, did you see 63?
But they mentioned names, and none of those people have come
so
to say
they themselves come to mention their
But
names?
They haven't denied either.
But they will not. I mean, who will do that?
But if you were not part of a list,
but why didn't they let them come and say that I am for?
Maybe they are not available.
So you wrote somebody's name. It's just a psychological warfare.
They gave us a list.
No, but I can write anybody's name.
But then if
no, there was
no
signature. Don't lie.
If they wrote your name and you are not in agreement,
but there are people, who believe in the fact that where they belong should be secret. So why would they come and say otherwise? Most of them, after that, came and brought us computers for our elections.
Oh, wow.
I won't say most, sorry. Some of them, I want to be honest with you, some of them came and brought us computers. You think therefore one can? No, that is not true. That is not true. In any case, present day polling station executives and coordinators, you cannot influence them because you are even an MP. That is not true. The fact is, Kennedy's message, the timing, and what he stands for the grassroots, he's won this election. Look, overwhelmingly, the outcry of Ghanaians.
What percentage are you anticipating?
Kennedy will win, no matter what.
You can't predict the percentage.
No matter, he'll get beyond 50%. I've told you, almost all the big regions, he's winning all of them. Kennedy's winning. Go out there. Almost everyone you know, beyond the electoral college of those who are going to vote, about 70%, overwhelmingly, they are calling that we should bring Kennedy. And he is the only one that resonates with the grassroots profoundly. This is a fact. He's won this election. His message, fantastic. He's on point.
What has been his message to the people on the ground?
One, if he wins on the ticket of NPP, it's most likely NPP will win 2020. That's one. So power
message
first.
Number 1.
2, he has the most credible, feasible policy for the NPP grassroots.
Which of
One, he's going to set up an institution that will manage a whole database of all the NPP activists. One of the problems is that when they vote for NPP and we are in government, we don't really take them into consideration things we do, like job opportunities. And our candidate is going to have a database of each of them. database on each of them. If you're a carpenter, mason, nurse, teacher, even if you are not working, charity begins at home. 3, Kennedy has provided jobs for Ghanaians more than any other politician in this country. I am telling you.
Are you sure about that?
Now tell me which one. His company that is yet to be kind of opened is going to take 1,000 workers directly, go to Tamansi. None of them. Kennedy has served the party most from 92. The exception of Cabinet Agyapong, who is closer to Kennedy. In terms of benevolence, go to 37. Go to Tamale Teaching Hospital. Go to Confrontation. When Ghanaians got stuck in somebody's country, Kennedy paid to bring them. They said that, oh, NPP government made him in the 90s. Were we in government? All the factors are pointing to the fact that he's the best candidate. Now, it doesn't mean he'll be the best president, or we are not talking about that. First factor is NPP's chance of winning power. And none of them offers that highest probability in terms of NPP's winning than Kennedy. This is a fact.
It's Sticka in some more or the 2 January Busham no Eddie Abano. Now I want to tell Sticka on authority say whatever he said, say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is leading in the NPP presidential primaries no is false. I am trying to create anymore. In fact, from my source, any information I'm trying to say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is even going to lose his home region. His home region, the central region, no. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is going to lose his home region. Many delegates for be on more central region, Edim Komo. Ever more to him say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is a confident trickster and a fraudster. Almost say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. As your mobile brace over Boa Central region for Amomoni Dumaya and Sun when Timmy Anye and Unti almost share boss say, a yadion bet to aba, a dear tia, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, bet to aba Pama, or Lusu Puto Monocrano, a Ben said he also die. I don't say Sticka, a dream will say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a baby, no, and yadia, a year a dear bit me abam. A unrealistic, intimate and possible, a impossible. Now, many people are for the income. Now, my papa come over to the nature say last year, I want to make Agyapong, so I last election here, primaries no. But this time around, no more to a bid the American Agyapong, a bid Eddie Amabri champion, not Dr. Nankasano, Akoma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And I can tell you an authority say this time around, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia will be winning in the voter region. Many Asante region phones didn't come to say 80% say on better about Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Asante region, almost 80% better on Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Greater Accra, not a week Accra, but we get 65% say better on Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, 30 say a year in Japan, and 5 and also say Brian a champion. You go pay more or northern region 100% Baumia, upper east 100% Baumia, upper west 100%, Savannah 100%, then north east region and also 100%. Western region for also 100% Dr. Baumia, western north was say Mama Dr. Baumia 80%. Buno region almost 65. Buno east almost say 85. And half region say 90%. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And untino, I can tell you on authority, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia will be winning the NPP presidential primaries on the 31st of January 2026 with a year 68.25%. 68.25%. So that's my can trust to be a bebem. Churo, Fatu baby a bebem. I know what I'm talking about because I've seen and people are catching me and have the data. Ay3k3 whatever they told me in a idea better basic. Now, Sticka also can say the 63 MP somebody claim Dr. Baumia a fake, a low in the crabby anymore. You see, this is where I have a problem with Sticka. Who are you also will be declared in the Agyapong HDI real, but so be declared so the Dr. Baumia HDI according to you, a unrealistic. And your time answered anyhow, maybe say Busau. Who they will sit now at the two, may say in share so me. I will lead protest against you. I will make sure you lose your seat. I will make sure you lose your seat because you are not a serious person that should be a member of parliament of a great constituency like Ay3k3 constituency. Therefore, I'm going to lead the next candidate on and make sure I say I'll be sitting there for him. I will campaign against you full time. I'm telling you. So prepare that you are going to opposition in 2029. Your last time that woman as a member of parliament. And you have parliament to be home. And you have parliament to be home. And ultimately too, a free abemu because 2028. International say busuan someone Sticka de to Ghana me no work kokuti ya yedi ho enkomo no. Also wadwen chire any saying e comment section no emu e opened into my wadwen chire comment section no. Me din e dey promise the blogger hanom e Ghana nsem TV. Me da so nyam to boase na utie yen. I mean, inshallah, bye bye.